Okay, come back to example 3 in your textbooks, page 180. Okay, let's see what we should do in order to solve the question given here. Okay, first of all, let's check what are the information given in the questions. Okay, so as you can see here in the questions, you are asked to find the ratio of AP P ratio to PB such that the point P -1 to divide the line segment joining point A, the A, -2, 1 and the point B, 2, 5. So basically here you are given all the point, okay, the internal point and the two end point, okay, but not the ratio. So this time you are told or requested to find the ratio of the M to N, okay, given the point. So as usual, okay, to solve this kind of questions you have to sketch. Okay, you have to sketch the point on the Cartesian plane first in order to see the position of the point involved. Okay, so from the diagram that we sketched, okay, we find that the point A is stay here at this position, or B on the top right, okay, with the point P somewhere in between, but it's closer to point A, okay, because the coordinate given is -1, 2, which is nearer to -2, 1. So it's about this distance, okay. So and then you will see that this is M, okay. So here now we can start to find the ratio M to N, or the ratio of AP ratio to PB through the point given. So first of all, we have to link the point up in the equation. So let us see what is the formula that we have done that link the internal point with the two end point. So previously in the previous lesson we have seen that, okay, it's given by this formula: E x1 is equal to n multiplied with x1 plus m multiplied with x2 over n plus n. The coordinate y is given by ny1 plus my2 over n plus n. Okay, so now since both the x and the coordinate y, okay, given here for the internal point P, so we can either use coordinate x or coordinate y to solve and get the ratio Mn. So let's say for example we use coordinate x of P to start to get the ratio. So you can express the value of Mn with the coordinate x, okay, that involve coordinate x of point A and coordinate x of point B with the coordinate x of point P. So using this expression, okay, n multiply with x1, so here you'll see that the n multiply with the x1, okay, and the n will multiply with the x2, which is 2 over n plus n, should be equal to the coordinate. Okay, so by moving the expression n plus n over the other side, so you get -n minus n. Okay, so gather all the like term, put the n over this side and the n over this side, so you get 3n to the n, and the last step, okay, move 3 over, so you get 1 over 3 here, and the other side n over n. So this will give you the ratio AP to PB, okay, AP to P to PB, which is M to N, by the ratio 1 over 3, or 1 ratio to 3. Okay, so that's all. It's done. Okay, the ratio n or the ratio AP to PB. So let's say you do not wish to use coordinate x to get the value of m to n. You can always use the coordinate y to solve to get the ratio m to n2. So for example, let's say I try to link the coordinate y up, the coordinate y of the point A, B, and the point P. So I should get this expression and equation. So first of all, n multiply with the y1, so you will get n multiply with y1 which is 1 plus n multiply with the y2 5 over n plus n equal to the coordinate y of P which is 2. So after that we move m plus n over, so we will get n simplify, we get n plus 5m equal to 2m plus 2n. So after that we try and gather all the like term by moving 2n over and the n over this side, so we get 3n equal to 2n minus n, so it's n. And then lastly, by moving the coefficient in front of the n and the 3 over to the opposite side, so you get m over n equal to 1 over 3. So the ratio of m to n that you get here is 1 to 3. So this is AP ratio to PB is equal to 1 ratio to 3. So you get the same answer as the one that you did in the coordinate x. So both way also can be accepted. Okay. So now let's us move on to skill practice 7.2. Okay. So this is a question in your textbooks, self practice 7.2, page 180. So I would like to draw your attention to the question 1c. So to solve these questions, okay, I think you have to understand what is the info given in this ratio. So actually this ratio shows 3 equal parts of AP is the same as 2 equal parts in PB. So in other words, so AP over PB will be equal to 2 over 3. So AP ratio PB is 2 to 3. Okay. So once you get this ratio, I think you can start sketching the position of the point on the Cartesian plane and get an idea where's the location and position of the point, so that you can apply the formula, okay, in your solution. So point A is 7 and 3, so it should be somewhere here. Let's say 7, negative 3. So it's here. Okay, and then point B, negative 3, let's say here, negative 3, positive 2. So it's somewhere here, let's see. So after that, you find the 2 points. Okay, so you get a straight line A and B. Okay. So the point P is the point that divide, right? P divide. So you stay somewhere in between the line segment. So let's say the point P is here. So how do we determine the position of the point P? So we have to check the ratio given. So according to the ratio that we got here, So AP is 2 part, take out 2 part, and then PB take out 3 parts. So that means P is a little bit closer to point A. So most likely the point A will be here lah, right? And we're here take out 2 parts, AP take out 2 parts, and then PB take out 3 parts. Okay? So once we have finalized the position and location of the point on the Cartesian plane with the ratio, now we can start calculating and put in the formula and to solve and get the answers. Okay, so now so we try and link the point P, okay, the point P with the two endpoint A and B in the ratio. So point P will be equal to the ratio of n. So your n is this one, 3, m is 2. So first P is divide AB, so you read from A towards B, so it's m here and n here. So n will be multiplying with the x1, and then the m will multiply with the x2, so you will get 3 multiplied with 7 plus 2 multiplied with -3, so over 2 plus 3. Then in the same way you do for process for the coordinate y, where you take x multiply with, sorry, the n, you take n multiply with the coordinate y -3 plus the value of m to multiply with the coordinate y of the opposite point. So you get 2 plus 3. So finally simplify, then you will get how many here? 21 plus -6, so it's 15 over 2 plus 3 is 5. And the other side, coordinate y, it will be 5 over 5. So simplify the terms, then you will get 3 over 1. So that's all. Okay, you got the answer for the coordinate P, which is 3, -1. So I think you follow the same step as what I've done here. For A and B, you should be able to get the answer too. Okay, so let's on to question number 2. Okay, before you try the rest of the question in this exercise, section 3 and section 4. So let us look at another example, one more example before we end the class today. So here in this question, you are given the point that divide, this is R, the coordinate P and T, divide the line segment joining the point A and the point B in the ratio 2 to 3. Okay, express P in terms of T. So you have to get the subject P in terms of T. Okay, so first of all, as usual, try and sketch. Okay, roughly sketch. Let's say you have a line segment like this. Okay, since we do not know the exact value of the coordinates, so we just simply draw. Okay, roughly get an idea how they are. So B, then AP. Okay, so the point R will be somewhere in between, so it's somewhere here, let's say, with the ratio 2 to 3, so that means it's a bit, point R is a bit closer to A. Okay, so somewhere here, so here 2, here 3 parts, so R is BP. Okay, so after you get the picture diagram, how the point relate to each other with the ratio, so we can start now by linking or join the point up in the formula. So here we will have 2 multiply with the opposite coordinates, okay, point B, and the ratio 3 will multiply with the opposite coordinate A. Okay, So R dt is equal to 2 multiplied with 2p plus 2 times 2p and then 3 times 2h over 2 plus 2. So the coordinate y will be 2 multiplied with 3p plus 3 multiplied with h and then over 2 plus 3. So it will be equal to, again simplify, so you get 4p plus 6h over 5. And here 6p plus 3h over 5 is equal to, that means conclusion, if you compare the coordinate x, it should be p equal to 4p plus 6h over 5. Okay, while the other side here, t, coordinate t, yt will be equal to 6t plus 3h over 4. Okay, so try and simplify these two equations. Okay, so you get 5p equal to 4p minus plus 6h. Okay, and then p will be equal to, let's move over, 5p minus 4p is p equal to 6h. Okay, and here you will get 5t equal to 6t plus 3h. And finally, you bring over this, so you will get negative 3h equal to t, right? Okay, so finally, we put h as a subject so that we can substitute inside here. So we will get negative t over 3. So this one will be your equation 1, and then this one will be your equation 2. So you substitute 1 into 2. So you get p equal to 6 multiplied with negative t over 3. So and finally you get p equal to negative 2t. So and then you get the answer. So p in terms of t. So that's how you get the answers. Okay, so I repeat that. Okay, first of all, you sketch the diagram to link the point 2M point AB with the point R in the ratio 2 to 3. After you get the diagram, so you try and rewrite the coordinates and the relationship between the points and the ratio in the formula. So and simplify. So you should get two equations, and then you solve simultaneously by substituting one of the subject inside the other one, and you should get the equation or function that with the subject p in terms of t. Okay, the exercise that you can work on, okay, in your textbooks. Okay, in your textbooks, page 180, question number 3 and question number 4. So this question number 4 is more or less like question the previous few questions, only that here you are given one unknown k in either the coordinate x or the coordinate y of the endpoint or the internal point. Okay, so the method to solve is just the same. You just link them up in the section formula or the formula for divisor and line segment after you sketch the diagram. So you will follow the step that I have shown before here. I think you should get the answers. Okay, so give it a try. Okay, have a nice day ahead. Thank you. I think that's all for today. Okay, to our next lesson. See you. Bye.